Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make a crockpot meal and this just sounds delicious. I'm making barbacoa from a chuck roast in my crockpot. You throw it all together and then you let it cook all day. It's pretty simple. This does require a few ingredients, but not too many. Most of it is going to go in this blender before we do anything. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to add a 1/2 pint of my homemade beef bone broth. That's about a cup. The nice thing about marinades is you really don't have to be completely exact. I'm gonna get it in the ballpark. I need the juice of 1 lime. I love this tool. It makes it so easy. And I'm going to use 4 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. This comes in a can, so it's really easy. And I have 1 onion that's roughly chopped. And I've got about 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. About 1 tablespoon of oregano, and I'm going to rub that between my hands. Just gives it more taste, I think. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now we're going to just take that and blend it up. And that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to just pour all of this into my crock pot. Clean my blender. Now this is about a 2.5 pound chuck roast that I've had in my freezer, so I put it in the refrigerator to defrost, and that's what we're going to use. You can use 3 pounds, you can use 4 pounds, but this is what I had, so it's what I'm using. So we're just going to salt and pepper this. If you remember, I just put a little bit of salt in that marinade, not much. And this is Baja Gold salt. I absolutely love it. I've bought this from Azure Standard, and it's kind of wet. It's not totally dried, but it's full of minerals. It's really clean, and it's what I find myself using most of the time. It's just got a good salt flavor too. So now I'm going to flip that. And again, just kind of pat it in. Now I'm going to put this just straight into the crock pot. Real simple. And the crock pot already has the marinade in it. Let me pull you up closer. It's already got the marinade, so the bottom side is going to get really coated. Then I'm going to turn it over a couple times, making sure every bit of it has that marinade. And I think it does. I'm just going to clean the rim of this. And because I'm starting this a little bit later in the day, it's probably 11:30, 12 o'clock, I'm going to put it on high for 1 or 2 hours. And then I'll come back. That's just went too low. I want it on high. Then I'll come back and check it and probably turn it to low for the rest of the day. We want this cooked to fall apart shreds. This has been going for about 6.5 hours. Let's give you a little closer look. It smells amazing. And we're going to take this out and we're going to shred it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we want to get it shredded. And then we're going to put this back in there to absorb all of those marinade juices. I'm going to put this much back in there for now and finish shredding. Put the rest of this in back into the crock pot. And I'm telling you, it really does smell good. And we just want to get it all coated with that juice. And we're going to let that cook. I have it on low and for probably half hour to 45 minutes. And then we will come back. Well, my barbacoa is ready. And you can see just how rich this looks. And I took a tiny taste a while ago, and it is spicy. You can cut back on the chipotles if you want. So I have heated up a tortilla. And I'm just gonna I don't want a whole lot of juice on this in the tortilla. So we'll drain some of that off. And I added a little bit of avocado and shredded lettuce. This is going to be fun to do without getting it all over me. So good. There is so much flavor in this. The chuck has a good flavor anyway, a nice beefy flavor. But adding the apple cider vinegar and the lime juice and all of those wonderful seasonings, it's hard to describe. It's so tasty. I hope you give this a try. You throw it all in the crock pot and let it cook all day. And that is a great time saver for anybody. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please go below and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this with your friends that might like some barbacoa. God bless.